how to reset data savings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset data savings on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then go down and click this one, and now click here, and then just go down until you find this one, data savings, and click on it. And now all you need to do, just click this one here and top corner, and then click reset. And as you see, data savings has been resetted. And that's how to reset data savings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.